Yo! Welcome back to the channel, gang. Vlogmas, day 3. Chat. Today, I'm in the kitchen. And also today, we on a new camera, gang. Can you tell? Can y'all really tell right now I'm on a new camera? Cause we going crazy. Phone right here, you feel me? Phone right here. But I'm in the kitchen today. Vlogmas day 3. Yeah, day 3. We going crazy still. We still turned up. We still going crazy. I honestly, looking at this camera, I'm like, it looks like it's hidden. Some pork green chili with some tortilla, a little sour cream and cheese, and that's what we're gonna do for today. So let's cook. Honestly, y'all, this ain't no cooking channel, and I ain't finna really be like breaking down every ingredient and everything I put in this green chili. I'm gonna just cook and get cracking, for real, for real. I already got the protein in the pot, getting it cooked up, cooked down, and seasoned up on medium heat. Medium heat, guys, not on high heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and season that right now. A little large, a little bit of that, not too much, not too much. Because you're gonna add some to the green chili when you get your green chili added there. That's a little onion, a little garlic, you know what I'm saying? A little garlic, crushed red peppers, a little spice. I'm gonna add a little spice, not a lot. Yeah, a little spice, and some accent. Get that in there, yeah. We green. Gonna mix that on up. That sizzling just like that, chat, just like that. Man, it actually feels real. I'm gonna try to heat up a little bit. It's really, really nice not having to hold my phone or use my phone to record for us. That camera, I'm already feeling good about having a camera. And for those of y'all who watched yesterday's video, thank y'all for tuning in with your boy, man, and for tapping in with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And for those of y'all who just now tuning in with your boy, welcome to the channel, gang. I'm Smooth, and this is Watch Smooth. You know what I'm saying? So don't believe me, just watch. We've been going on a little run. We're on a 90-day run. But this is like the 7th or 8th video, but we on Vlogmas day 3. Still doing a 90-day run. Vlogmas is 30 days, the other 90-day run. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. For those of y'all who just now tuning in, for those of y'all who've been tuned in with me, man, I appreciate y'all for real, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all some real ones. Real life real ones. See right here, I leave the protein a little pink, just a little bit, not raw, but just a little pink because we're gonna add the chili in there and it's gonna still cook down while the chili cooking, you know what I'm saying? But we don't want it to be all tough and all hard to bite down. So now we're at a good point. I'm gonna go ahead and add my green chilies in there and throw that in there and get that brewing together. We're officially on the camera, man, and it feels good, honestly. It really does. It feels a lot better. I need to find a lid for the pot. I don't know what happened to, oh, there she is. We're gonna need that. Throw that right on there like that. Let that simmer. Let that cook low and slow. While we wait, we hydrate. Look, y'all, what that is right there. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all what. Watch. Man, go watch Smooth, man. Go watch Smooth. Bro, y'all have to, bro. Y'all have to go and sub up. We did get another subscriber, though. Since yesterday, we got a new subscriber today. So, yeah, we're gonna celebrate that, though. But go watch Smooth, man. Tell your friends, tell your family, and your family's family that they need to go watch Smooth. Tap in. I'm trying to turn it up. Trying to see some while we let that cook. I ain't got nothing else to do, chat. I'm chilling at the crib with it today. It's blizzarding outside. I'll show y'all later. But look, your boy Smooth, we got some some Christmas decorations going over the fireplace, looking kind of snazzy, getting a little jolly. You know what I'm saying? We got the weather outside is frightening. Looking at, yeah, man. We got the little bit of Christmas stuff going on. Need to get the tree and everything going. Let me show y'all outside, bro. It was blizzard. It wasn't blizzarding, but it's blizzarding. It's cold out there and it's snowing. Let me see if I can get some cinematic shots in. Look at this. Man. He shut that door. Yeah, buddy. Look at him. Freezing out here. Ain't no way, boy. I done went outside in my inside shoes, guys. Now, in my slides. Feet all wet. Things niggas be doing. The things niggas be doing. Here, y'all. Gotta get back to my green chili, guys. Can't let that. Yeah, here we go. Got a nice stir. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it? We're gonna turn it down to a medium heat. Let that simmer for a little bit. Oh no, I'm so hungry. I might mess around and taste it now. Cooking with shizzle. Cooking with shizzle. Let me try that. Hold on, let's see. Hold on. That boy, I might know a thing or two, man. I might know something. Oh, they got a nice spice on it. Wowzers. That's actually pretty spicy, gang. It's actually pretty spicy. I'm gonna turn that down a little. We're gonna get that down to a nice low heat. Just let it sit there. Let her do her thizzle for about a good 30-45 minutes. Let it cook. I made a mess, but I want y'all to see this. Okay. Check it out. Oh, nice. Very nice, smooth, very nice. Got the green chili going crazy. Put that back on that bad boy. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. The green chili's almost done. Guess who's starved? This guy. I'm starving, brother. Yeah, I might sit underneath the fireplace and curl my toes, rub my toes together. You know, put on a nice little TV show. What's some good shows out there, man, y'all? I've been watching, I really don't watch TV while I'm over at Kappa. I do not watch TV like that. I watch Abbott Elementary. I've been on that one. It's kind of tough lately. That one's a good one. It's clean comedy. What's another one? Everybody on Stranger Things, obviously. Yep. Other than that, I really don't be on the television. I really don't be on the game like that no more either. Talk to the guys, bro. I do not be playing the game. I might start though. I might start getting back on there and dominating on that. Yeah. Y'all been taking up majority of my time for real, and I'm okay with that. But we can play games together. No cap. We can start. I can hop on the game with the chat. For real, get a stream going. Yeah, that's probably next. That's probably like top of the year though. I'll probably do that like after New Year's. You got time for that right now. Yeah, chat. So we got the green chili cooking right now. It's doing its stuff, Dizzle. While we wait on that, we just chilling right now, for real. Chat, I just had to take a moment and appreciate it instead of like looking at the new camera setup. Like, that's actually pretty snazzy. It's pretty snazzy. I'm really excited about that. I'm really happy about that early Christmas present, man. Y'all see that? Chat, go sub up. Go sub up, chat. What are we doing? Look at this. I have 151 subscribers. It's like, nah. But I low-key got a new subscriber last night, so hey, shout out to you, whoever you were. It don't even be showing me for some reason. But y'all, go sub up to the chat right now. Go sub up right now. Like, right now. If you ain't subbed up, you a sucker. Straight up. Just like that. Chat, go tell them right now. If you haven't subbed up, you's a sucker. Right now. I low-key just did that just so I can see. So I would, why am I hunched over? I low-key did that just so I can see how long, or what's the difference between the phone camera and the camera. But yeah, man, go tell your people to sub up, man. Stop being a hater. You ain't gonna get nowhere by hating. All y'all over watching my videos, but y'all ain't subscribing or supporting or commenting, you a sucker. And I just want that to be known, sucker. Man, this now I got the tripod all wet. Let me try this. What am I doing? I need to get it together. I'm over here acting like a sucker. Get that camera right. Y'all want to see this green chili, bro? Oh, it smells delicious. Now, like I said, bro, I ain't no chef. I ain't no cooker, bro. I don't cook for real, but I can't cook when I need to cook. When I'm hungry, I'll cook. But yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all what the finishing product is, because I made a mess. Straight up. I need to start taking the videos to the next level too. I need to do like some competitions or something. I should have had somebody do a cook-off or something. I don't know. Don't worry about it. We're gonna get it together. We are going to get it together. Maybe I should do a house tour for y'all so y'all can see the crib. But I don't want everybody all in my business, man. I want everybody, I need to know the ins and outs. I mean, but it's cool, you know what I'm saying? Nice crib, bro. We got a nice house, you know what I'm saying? So maybe one day I'll go and do a house tour, show y'all the crib and whatnot. But as of now, we cooking green chili, nigga. So that's what you gonna be worried about, is there's green chili today. Might do that tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 4. Got him, stupid. Man, y'all, I cannot express how much I enjoy having a camera now. Like, jinky winky. Like, I'm really messing with the camera vibe. Like, the camera vibe is really what it is. Dude, I wore these and wow. I can't believe I did them like that, but it's alright. Ain't nothing a little cleaning can't do. I'm gonna have Brady. I'm gonna send those to Brady. Hey, Ratchet, if you watching this, got some shoes for you to clean. That's another video. I might take my a couple pairs over there. He be icing his kicks and stuff. He be gonna stub it. He don't do it for everybody else, but he do it for himself. So I'm gonna go over there, take some shoes, and have him get me right. Just a couple pairs, not too much. But yeah, man. Wow, the green chili smells amazing. Look at that. No, that's fire. Fire. That smells delish. Yeah, it's got that consistency to it. It's not too watery or runny. Smells absolutely delicious. Alright, chat, that's gonna do it for today's video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Sub up right now. I'm gonna go in here and eat this food, chow down, and I'm gonna tap in with y'all tomorrow. Yes, sir. Final product. Y'all thought I wasn't gonna show y'all. Looking scrumptious. Now I'm finna dig in.